Good day. My name is Dr. Peter Tarlow, and I'm president of the World Tourism Network. The World Tourism Network is proud of our wonderful program aimed at the United States on Visit USA. This program not only includes speeches, but it also provides consulting services for small cities, businesses, mid-range cities, large cities, and states within the United States. Our consulting services show experience not only in this country, but also around the world. For example, we can do training of your police so that your police department or law enforcement becomes not only a way to maintain a safe environment, but also becomes an economic development tool for your community. We can work with you on ways to improve your marketing strategies. We can develop with you problem solving and do diagnoses of whatever problems your community has. The goal is to take tourism to the next level, to make it an economic generating factor so that all Americans can profit from it. And that means we want to make a safe and wonderful environment in which the United States welcomes people from around the world. Our experts have dealt with countries from Europe to Africa to Latin America and the Middle East. Let us help you to become the true tourism center that you ought to be. If interested in any of our services or more details, please contact the World Tourism Network and we will be glad to set up an appointment for you and then create a new and creative way of turning your tourism product into something that all America can be proud of.